So today we are going to start about the streams concept, guys. Till now we discussed about Java 8 lambda expression and what is functional interface, and we discussed about predefined functional interfaces like predicates, functions, supplier, and consumer. These four are very important. If you are good about these four functional interfaces, streams concept is very easy topic. Okay, now let me have a start about streams in Java. This is a introduced in the Java 8. Nowadays in all projects people are using this concept. Okay, and to understand this concept also some little bit tricky who don't know about predefined functional interfaces. Now you guys are very clear about previous classes. Okay, if you are not clear, please watch one more time. Still videos are available in your drive, guys. Please try to complete on time. Okay, now have a look here. We have a collections concept. We have in the collections we discussed about the list, set, and map. Now already we have a collections. Why we need streams in Java? Now see, if you want to represent group of individual objects as a single entity, then we can go for the collections. Why? Because collection can hold, array list can hold multiple objects as a single entity. When I say array list, you can store so many number of objects under one collection. Then I can go for the collection here. Now see here, collection is a in-memory data structure which hold all the values that a data structure currently has. Every element, okay, data structure currently has a every element in the collection has to be computed before it can be added to the collection. That means if you want to iterate your object, your array list object, before iterating, first you need to store some elements. Okay, some objects you need to store into array list object, and then you can able to iterate your list object. But collection is kind of a in memory where it can hold the values. But streams concept is a fixed data structure. Elements are runtime, it is demanded. Now what exactly means? The elements are computed on demand. Exactly means you have a collection object with streams. At a runtime you can, okay, add so many number of conditions at a before storing your object into a collection. Okay, I will be show you some couple of diagrams and examples so that it will be very easy to you. Okay, now see here, stream, this is a method, is a default method added to the collection 1.8 version. Array list, set, map, everywhere stream method is available. Using the streams, okay, I can able to perform so many operations here. Okay, first try to understand about difference between the collection versus stream. Collection API is introduced in Java 1.2. Stream is introduced in Java 1.8. Collection is kind of a storing data in different kinds of data structures. Like array list is one data structure, linked list is one data structure, hash set is one data structure. Here streams, with respect to any data structure, I will be compute my data on demand. Before applying the streams, already we have a collection object. Okay, in the collection API we can store finite number of elements, but in the streams you can handle infinite number of elements. Here suppose I want to generate 1,000 numbers continuously, yes, you can do that action also here. Okay, these collection API is kind of a eager manner, it is a lazy manner. That means whenever you require, then only streams concept will come to the picture. It's kind of a okay, lot of inbuilt methods are available, like a filter method, map method, okay, terminate method, summarizing of elements. We have a so many methods are available. In detail I will be discuss each and everything with the help of examples, so that you can able to habituate how to write program using the streams API also. Now have a look here. Streams represent a pipeline. Have a look, guys. From here onwards, it's very, very important. Have a look here. Streams is a pipeline through which data will flow and functions to operate on the data. Suppose in your array list, you have 20 objects. Out of 20 objects, I need, okay, suppose employee salary less than 10,000. I need only those records into another collection. If you want to perform okay, without streams, you supposed to write almost 20 around 10 lines of code you should write. But whereas using the streams, I can write in single line. That much is very, very simple. At runtime, I can operate my data. It's kind of a pipeline. Okay, this pipeline streams can transform the data. Okay, it will not modify, just it will be transforming from one collection to the another collection. Okay, cannot mutate the data. That means stream can be composed of a multiple functions that can create a pipeline. Data will flow. This data cannot be mutated. In your list, I have a kind of a employee age, like a 15, 20, 30, 40, 50. Suppose 5 objects are there. I need whose employee age is less than 20. Then I will get single record. That to get that particular record, we are applying the streams concept here. Whenever you are transforming the data, original data structure doesn't change, guys. It will not change the original data. However, data can be transformed and later stored in another data structure here. How it is storing, I will show you a small example here. First, how to create a stream. See, stream can be created from different element sources. Now, see here. Now, suppose you have a string array. Assume that this is called string array, where I can hold the data. By using the arrays function, I can apply the stream. Obviously, you will get as the stream of strings. If you apply the streams, performance of the application will be increased, guys. Performance will be increased. Even these streams are divided into two types: sequential and as well as a parallel also. Just this is a small example to you. I will be show you the real uses of your streams. Don't worry. Okay, now stream can be divided into two types: one for the sequential, another for the parallel. Two streams are there. Okay, now if you see, if you have a list object, array list object, if you want a sequential stream, just you can apply the stream method. If you want a parallel stream, you can use the parallel stream method. Suppose you have 1 lakh records. Assume that you have 1 lakh records. I want to apply some filter condition whose my number is even number. I want to get that collection data. If you use the streams concept, it may take around 2 minutes. Assume that, for example, if you take a parallel stream, it may take only 1 minute of time. Why? Because parallel stream internally using some kind of a one framework called join framework. I will explain you how we can use that particular option. Okay, now this parallel stream mostly will be used for the multi-threading purpose to get the output. See here, dot parallel stream. This is the method. This is the syntax, guys, to get the stream object here. Okay, now see here, fork and join framework is internally using the parallel stream. Suppose you have a task. This task is divided into two subtasks. This subtask is divided to another 2 subtasks here, and you will get your data. Again, you are joining this, you will get one result, you will get one result. This 2 result will be joined to the another join. Again, this result and this result you will get to here, and end of the day, these two will be combined. You will get the output here. Now, this is a internal working of your parallel stream. It is using fork join framework here. Okay, the performance of the application will be very faster here. Okay, now have a look here. If you see here diagram, you have a source. Assume that this is about your array list object. Here you applied the stream. Here we can apply intermediate operation and terminal operation. Terminal represents result of your object. Intermediate operations means you want to filter the conditions, then you can use intermediate operations here. This is the very high level diagram. You will have another diagram, just see here. Now your source can become a collection, array collection, input output channel. Assume that some array or a list or a set or a map. Here you are applying an intermediate operation. Intermediate operation represents I want to filter the data, I want to sort the data, I want to map the data. And a terminal operation means I need count, I need a sum, I need a collection, I want to the collect. Here one input data, this is the source and this is the destination. Source and destination here. Now these intermediate operations and terminal operations I am going to display, okay, with small examples here. Assume that to understand this example, assume that you have a 10 numbers here, 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, now here if my number is even, okay, I want to get another collection object. Assume that this, okay, let me take a pen here so that you will get better idea. Now here you have 1 to 10 objects I have. This is your array list object. You have in your array list, you have 10 objects here. Now after applying here, my condition is what? My condition is if number is even. If number is even, then I want to store my data into another array list object like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here number is even. What is the condition here? Some number modulo 2 double equal to 0. This is my condition here. Now this is my requirement here. To perform this action, okay, how many lines of code is required for your understanding, guys? Can you tell me? This is one array list object, this is another array list object, this is my condition. Can I know how many lines of code is required? First, I need to create array list object. I need to store 10 data. And then I need to create empty array list. If number is even, I want to store. And then I need the output here. This is the okay condition. Let me show you an example for that so that you will get a better idea here. Now have a look here. Some examples I'm going to start here. So let me open a package. Let me create as a streams package. Source, okay, create the package, not the supplier, streams. And here right click and let me create a new class. Okay, now even numbers. Now you are applying a condition. Wherever you have a condition, which interface I need to use, which functional interface I need to use, guys? Tell me. Condition, which interface is required for us?
Predicate.
Exactly, predicate we need to use. Now that is our requirement. Now have a look here. Here I am creating our array list object. Now is everyone clear this these 3 lines of code? Tell me. From here onwards, I need your response very quickly, guys. Okay. What I am doing these 3 lines of code. Anyone can explain?
Just we have to iterate the values.
Okay. Array list object. I am adding 10
Yes.
numbers here.
10 numbers.
Now see, let me make it as a list object so that it will be a more clear. Now I am applying the streams. See here, list dot. Here we have a method called stream. Are you able to see, guys? Stream and a parallel stream. Now choose on the stream object dot. We have a so many methods are available here. In interviews also you will get the questions in this place only. Now I am applying as a filter. Are you able to see, guys? Predicate. It is expecting predicate as a input. I need to write a condition. How to write a condition? Assume that now there is a number, I will get it. That particular number should be modulo 2. Okay, not equal to 0. Maybe either you can take any data, it can be anything here. Now I can apply the stream method, and then I can apply the filter method also. Why I'm not getting exception? Now see here, dot collect. After filtering your condition, okay, let me take it double equal to 0, even numbers, right? Now after filtering your data, I want to store into another list object. So this is intermediate operation, and this is your terminal operation here. If you want to convert into a list, there is a predefined class collectors dot to list. That's it, your job is done. You will get your written type. See, uh, result. That's it, guys. Now you can see the result, system.out.println result. Now right click, run as Java application. See, 02468. That's it, your job is completed, guys. Same piece of code if you want to write, it's kind of a another 10 lines of code is required, but everything is following as a lambda expression. Here see, I followed a lambda expression. This is a predicate. How you will create a predicate function? Now previously, see, predicate integer, suppose p equal to say. Now this particular predicate I want to pass as a result here. Now let me import the statement. So you no need to define everywhere manually predicate, function, supplier, consumer. Okay, you no need to define in this structure. Okay, it is taking the time. Why it is loading? Okay, let it be load. See, this particular p you need to replace with your filter. Why? Because your filter method is accepting your predicate function. Clear this one? Any question? Yes, guys. Okay, it's loading. Let it be load. Oh, why? What happened? Okay, my system is hang. Okay, by that time let me explain other things also. Now for just for example purpose, just now I explained this one intermediate operation. Which intermediate operation you are applied? Filter method you are applied as a intermediate operation, and a collect method is for the terminal operation here. Hope you are clear these two methods. Now slowly you will get other methods also. Now see here, you have a person object. I want to apply the condition. Okay, after applying the condition, I want to get the map. What exactly means? If you have 100 person objects, person include person id, person name, age, date of birth. You may have any number of fields, but end of the day my result should be names of the person. Here your input is person, output is your string data type. Then which kind of functional interface I need to use? Yes, guys. For the condition, we are using the predicate. Now here my input I am giving, output return type is a different. Which functional interface I need to use? Yes, Swarna, Bogesh, tell me guys. No answers. What are the functional interfaces I have? Tell me at least. We have a predicate, we have the function, we have the supplier, and we have the consumer. Predicate for the Boolean condition. Function means you will give the input and you will give the output. Supplier will be supply the objects. Consumer, it will be consume the data. Now here in our requirement is sortable. The function is the sortable for the map function. Map is internally using the function. Filter is internally using the predicate. Are you clear this point? Any question? Yes.
Yes.
Clear, right? Now have a look here. Why it is not yet loaded? Yes, predicate. Now I created a predicate. Now see here, P, I can pass like this. See, output will be a same, but in the real time, you never see this way of writing. Why? Because instead of defining a new variable, I can write my logic directly here. That's it. Your job is completed. You no need to write even another line of code also. Okay, this is the where. Now let me filter. This is the small example. Let me take as a another class where I can apply the map. See here, b underscore map. Okay, now in our array list I have some kind of a objects here. Okay, I have a objects here. In your array list, I'm adding Java, Kotlin, PHP, AWS. My result, I should get all capital case letters. All capital case letters. See here, AL dot stream of dot map. Are you able to see? Map string. I'm getting input as a string data type. I want to convert into a uppercase letter and I want to collect the data into the list object. See, collectors dot to list object. That's it. Your result is done. Now this is the way of writing your streams. This is the one people are expecting even interviews or in our coding standards also. You will get like this. Now you will get the result. That's it. Run as Java application. See, Java, Kotlin, PHP, and AWS. Clear about these two methods? Now, map is a intermediate operation and a collect is the terminal operation as per the high level diagram. Okay, now as of now, what are the methods I saw? About intermediate operations. I'm using the filter, I'm using the map, and terminal operations. Like as of now, I used the collect method. We'll try to fill up these examples as much as we can. Okay, now next same example I want to write. See here what I can do. What should I do means yeah, my requirement is you have list of objects. Okay, let me take another one. C underscore filter underscore count. What are the methods I'm using? I'm writing guys based on the use case. Okay, now let me remove everything here. My requirement is if course length is 3 and wherever suppose your Java length is 4 characters, 6 characters, 3 characters and 3 characters. If my condition is if course length is 3 and I want to return the count, how many number of records are available? Guys, are you guys clear the question? Guys, clear the question first of all?
Yes, Bhaskar.
Others?
Yes, Bhaskar.
Okay, now here if course length is 3 is a condition or not? I
Yes,
need to
it's a
use
condition.
Yes, yes, yes.
I need to
Correct.
use a filter method or map method?
Filter.
Filter method we need to apply. Now see here, al dot stream dot filter, and I will get as a string as a input object. Now string dot length double equal to 3. Now this is your filter condition. Once this step is completed and I want to get the count, dot count, see, count, that's it, your job is completed. Long count. Now you will get the data. See, system.out.println the count. Now right click, run as Java application. See, two, PHP and AWS. Now this filter method is kind of a, okay, filter already will. Terminal operation is what? Count. It will get how many number of records. Is about a filter we used individually, map we used individually here. Okay, now you have a Java, you have a Kotlin, you have PHP and AWS. I need in sorting order. I want to perform in the sorting order. Natural sorting order is required here. Now have a look here. Now let me copy paste. Same example, different scenarios I'm explaining as whatever till now we discuss. Now sorted method. Now have a look here. Now I need in sorting order or ascending order. Ascending order. Now see here, al dot stream of dot, there is a method called sorted method. See, sorted method, and a dot collect collectors dot to list. Now you will get your array list object. Now your result. Now you can able to see system.out.println. Okay, ascending order. Now you can able to get system.out.println result. That's it. Now see, run as Java application. Java application. See here, AWS, Java, Kotlin and PHP. Now here sorted is a, okay, intermediate operation. See, I'm making all the methods, guys, to make it very clear for you when to use which method. Throughout Java, this is a very important topic. This method is clear. Any questions?
Yes, Bhaskar, clear.
Now here sorted I am applying. Now you need in descending order. Now in this sorted method, it will be accept. See here, two things I have. One for the comparator, another for, this is called comparable by default. If you need the customization, see, it is expecting the comparator object. Comparator object. Now by using the lambda expression, see, if you go to the comparator, this is a functional interface. If it is a functional interface, I have a method called compare method. Can I apply lambda expression now? Yes, can I apply the lambda expression? Tell me, guys.
Yes, Bhaskar.
Now
Because it's a
have a
function.
look. Exactly. Now have a look here. Now let me same example. I can take different, but you will get a better idea if I take a small example with all use cases. Now comparator underscore sorted. Now have a look here. Same thing I'm writing inside the sorted method. See, two parameters. Let me take S1 comma S2. Lambda expression, arrow mark. Okay, we have a method called, right, S2 dot which method? Compare to method. Again S1. Now you will get in ascending order. Now have a look here. Descending order you will get. Now S1 S2 if you written ascending order, S2 S1 if you written is a descending order. See, PHP, Kotlin, Java, AWS. Now descending order. This is called comparator customization here. This is one approach we can write. Here we can more simplify this one also here. If you need Sorting order, yes, you can go ahead and do the sorting order also. Okay, suppose if you want to apply the integers, now let me write about the integers also so that you may get a better idea. F underscore comparator underscore numbers. Okay, now system dot out dot println main. Suppose I'm adding 5 elements here. Okay, just I'm adding 5 elements. Now see here again, I'm writing until you comfortable. I'm writing the examples. Carefully see al dot stream of. Okay, if you now dot sorted, see I'm taking second parameter. Now it is expecting comparator means two arguments s1 comma s2 and a lambda expression s1 dot compare 2 of s2, and then I am collecting the results. Now what results? Collectors dot to list. Now you will get your result object. Now result here. Now you can able to see system dot out dot println result. Right click, run as Java application. See 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 8 ascending order. Suppose if you write s2 and s1, now you will get in the descending order. Even in interview, if they ask using Java 8 can you write, they can ask you the question. In that case you can write this logic here. Okay, now suppose you have ascending order the data. Assume that this is about in the descending order. Now based on this I want to know the minimum number, maximum number, how I can apply minimum and maximum. Now this sorted is also as a kind of a okay intermediate operation. Two operations we have, one for the normal comparable, another for the customization comparator here. Now see, I want to know the minimum number out of the all the elements. If I want to know, I need to sort the data and I want to get the data. Now see here how I'm writing E F G comma minimum. Okay, see here, now I'm removing everything here. Now see al dot stream method dot min. Are you able to see guys? Min and max. I want to the minimum number, I want to know the maximum number out of the array list elements. Now see the, let me write the minimum number. Now again it is expecting the comparator object again s1 comma s2. Okay, and arrow mark lambda expression s1 dot compare 2 of s2. Now out of that you will get one result, right? That result if you want you can use a dot get method. Now it will be expect the integer data. Minimum number means integer, right? Now you will get the result object. That's it. See here, run as Java application. See one, if you write s2 comma s1, assume that run as Java application. See 8, it is in descending order, it is verified. Suppose if you need the maximum number like that, you can able to verify here. Run as Java application, maximum number is 8. Min and max, it's kind of a summary statistics you can apply here. Min and max, to apply the min and max it will be accept the comparator object. Okay, you need to sort the data, then only it will be get the minimum or maximum number out of your collections here. Okay, and then still what we can do, min max is done, right? This is the one part. Still I want to perform some kind of a data. Suppose a different way of writing, let me explain to you here. See EFGH. Okay, like a stream method, we have a kind of a stream method here. Assume that you have a double array, integer array. Now suppose I am creating an integer array. Have a look guys, integer I am defining an array, guys. Okay, array. I want to assign some values. See here, 45 comma 34 comma 56 comma 23 comma 45 78. Some numbers I written here. Out of these numbers, okay, now I want to print this array. Either you can use the for loop, okay, you can use the enhanced for loop and you can print. But using Java 8, using lambda expression, I want to print these array elements. That means conversion. This is called conversion integer array to stream object. Using the streams, it is a possible. See here, there is a method called stream class dot lot of, see, one of the static method. Yes, here you can define array. Now you will get your result as a, see, stream of integers here. Okay, now this is called, okay, numbers. Now using these numbers, by using the for each loop, you know already, consumer interface are able to see here. Consumer, what is the meaning of consuming? Whatever you get the result, just I want to print, that's it. Now each number I want to print system.out.println of number, that's it. This is called conversion, run as Java application. See, all numbers is printing. Now this is called lambda expression. Wherever you have using method references, I can some cases you can able to see like this also, guys. For each, see guys, system dot out println is a method. See guys, println, that's it. This is called method reference. This is also output will be a same. Wherever you have a lambda, you can replace with your method reference. See, all numbers are printing, both are same. Sometimes whenever you are searching any like I can say that articles, you can able to see this kind of operation here. Clear? Any question? Yes, please. Suppose now have a look. I want to explain the map for another class. This is about this part, right? Have a look here. GHI comma map. Exact map, and I want to explain the method name. See, suppose I have 10 numbers. Okay, each number I want to append, okay, some number. Like assume that I want to add 10 for every number. I need to get the result. How I can perform? Tell me, guys. Which method I need to use? Try to think. Can I apply the filter here? Is a filter is required? Okay, my result should become like this: 10, 25, 20, 10, 40, 35, 30. Each number incrementing by 10. Increment by 10. This is my one I want to do. Is filter is applicable here or map is applicable? Which one is applicable? Guys, please.
Function, that is map.
Exactly, correct. Now have a look here. L1 dot, okay, let me take the list one instead of the L1. Right click, refactor, rename to the list. Now see here, list dot stream of dot map. Here I will get a number. After getting the number, I want to add to 10. That's it, your job is done. Collect. If you know which one you want to use, it will be a more easy list. Now you will get your result object. Now you can able to print system.out.println the result. Done. See here, run as Java application. See, 10, 25, 20, 15, 40, 35, and 10. That's it. Suppose I want to apply the filter. See, the number should be less than 30. See here, I'm applying two methods at a time here. Here map. Here I want to apply the filter condition. Before adding, number should be okay less than 30, and then result 1. Result 1. Now tell me first, before incrementing less than 30, how many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, except this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 7, 6 records I have. So what should I do? Let me make it to 10. How many records I have less than 10? 1 and 2. Now have a look here. Okay. Okay, sorry, I given greater than, guys. You guys need to tell, right? Less than. See, 10, 15. Just I'm giving before incrementing, I'm checking. Now out of my 7 objects, my filter method is giving 2 records. Out of 2 records, I'm appending to 10, I'm getting the result. See, filter method I am using, and a map method I am using, and a collect method I am using. So before source and a destination, in the middle you can apply any number of intermediate operations. Now whatever we written here, intermediate operations, filter, map, sorted, all at a time you can use, but a terminal represents either one only, you will get the data. That is the part I want to discuss. Clear this one? Minimum, maximum, comparable, and comparator. Any questions? Okay. Now still what we can do. Now see here. Let me take another method called GHIJ. I know if you know predefined functions, it will be a more easy to you guys. All match. All match main method. Now here, just check it here. Now here you have your some 4 elements you have. If any element match with Java, I need the result. Whether I want to get a condition, whether it is a true or false, just I want to know. That's it. Now it's kind of a Boolean check. Now have a look here. AL dot stream method dot all match. See, there is a method. It is a predicate condition string data. Now this particular string dot contains, it is a Java, then I will get my result. Now it's a Boolean condition. Your result you will get it here. Now same piece of code, if you want to write using okay normal approach, you need to write a logic here. See here, false. Oh, why it is a false? It should be all match. Okay, instead of the all match you will get as a Java. Now have a look here. Same thing I'm writing in different one. Result 1, result 1. Here we have a called any match. See here. This is a true. All match means all the records should be match. Any match means either one element should match with Java, then I will get the result. That is the difference between the all match and any match. Clear? This is a difference between the all match and any match. Guys, same piece of code, if I want to write normal approach, just have a look, guys. This is the logic I need. Public static Boolean check element. I am taking one array list as a argument, string. See here, this is the old way of writing. Now these many lines of code I can reduce here. See here, for loop string str colon al object. Now see here, if str dot contains Java, if recordings exist, return true. See, return true. If not exist, now return false. See, this much piece of code, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, around 8 lines of code I need to write. But here one condition is enough. Here only one condition is enough. Here, are you getting about these two things, any match and all match?
Yes, Pastor.
Okay, now have a look here. Still I am writing couple of more examples. Stream creation, there is a conversions will be happen sometimes, guys. Have a look here. Suppose you have a string array. Previously I created how to create an array. Now we have multiple ways we can create an array, guys. Now see, string array, string str equal to new string array. I want to add some elements. See here, how to add Java comma, some people are asked the arrays, guys. This is the arrays, guys, nothing else. Now see, this is about the Unix. Now this is about a string array. This is one way of assigning. If you take the integer array, directly you can assign the values. Now I want to convert this string array into the streams. How to convert? See, in the arrays class there is a method called a stream method. Inside a stream you need to pass the str data. Now you will get your result as a stream object. By using the stream object, now I can apply here stream dot. Okay, now what we can, if you want to the sorting order, and then I want to the collectors dot to list. Now you will get your result object. See, result. Previously I added my array list object. This time I'm adding to a direct string array. See, run as Java. See, it is in the sorting order. Okay, if you have that confusion, let me keep it to here. Keep it to here. Right click, run as Java application. See, Java PHP Unix. Clear this one? Any question? Yes, please. Okay, based on that we have another method called streams none match. Now see, we have discussed about all match, normal match, and we have another method called another 3 conditions. None match also we have, guys. See, all match, any match, none match. Now this we can make it as a result 2. System.out.println result 2. Now run as Java application. False. It should not be matched. Whenever you have conditional checks as part of your any records are matching or not, if you want to know in that use cases, you can able to apply this particular information here. Okay, now these are the main things, and we have distinct method is also available here, guys. I can say let me verify. There is some kind of a, I want to show you other thing. Comparable okay, guys, comparable comparator I explained, right, guys?
Yes, Pastor.
Comparable comparator I explained with the help of the streams, right? Comparator dot comparing, then comparing. Anything?
Not with streams. You explain
Okay,
normally.
normally, right? Now what I can do, yes, yes, let me create an object to you. Let me show you one part. This is about the comparator and streams. Main method. Now here I am adding some collection objects here. Okay, see here. Okay, let me create as a employee class. Okay, out of this employee I can write some kind of a variable or name comma salary. Okay, now I want to like a constructor using the fields, and I need the getter methods. Select getter methods, and if you want to string, yes, go ahead and write. Now where is about the comparator? Oh, where is that? Okay, comparator underscore streams. Now have a look here. Now let me verify. Employee list dot, okay, why I'm not getting e list dot, acha, e list dot stream dot sorted. Are able to see here? I'm using another sorted here. See, comparator dot, see, comparator dot comparing. Here we have a method called comparing. Now employee object, okay, I want to sort based on salary and collect the data. Collectors dot to list. That it's done. Previously you supposed to create how many methods I written? See here, stream method, sorted method, collect method. That's it. Your job is completed, guys. Now it is a custom object, employee result. Now it will be system dot out dot println employee result. See here. Now salary will be in the ascending order. Run as Java application. Okay, I need to override my toString method. Source toString. Okay, see, let me run this application. See here, observe 200, 200 and 200. Why 200 everywhere? Why guys, why 200? Okay, 100 objects I added. Achha. Okay, let me add 10 objects, 5 objects. Okay, I'm adding multiple times the same thing for loop. Okay, let me remove this whole thing. Why I need required? Control A, Control I. Run as Java application. See, 200, 3000, 7856, 15,002, 20,000 and 5,000. All 6 records are printing in the ascending order. Now this is using method references. If you want to go ahead with a lambda expression, yes, go ahead and do the sorting order. Suppose I want to compare after ascending order, again I want to compare. See, there is a method called, okay, let me write as a new method. I don't want to confuse you this one. See here, I need in descending order now. You need ascending order. Now I need descending order. See, dot reverse. That's it. You will get in the result will be in the, see here, EF. Now see here, 5,000, 20, 50,000, 20,000, 15,002, 7,000, 3,000 and 200. See here, comparable dot comparing. Previously we were supposed to create like this, guys. Where is that? Somewhere we created some comparator and comparable here. somewhere I written that logic. That is okay, collections, right? List pack to comparable and comparator. See, oh, comparable and comparator. See, this much piece of code you're supposed to write. The old Java collections, but the newer Java collections, just a single line of code. In interviews, they were expecting this line of code. You're supposed to write like this. Clear? Now you want to apply the parallel stream. See, elist dot, there is nothing else, parallel stream here. Whenever you have millions of records, or it should be the range for the 10 records or 20 records, you should not apply parallel stream. Performance will be degraded. If you have a millions of records, then you can apply a parallel stream like this. Just you want to apply some filter conditions. Employee dot e dot get salary. Okay, assume that greater than 15,000. I need those candidates. How many number of employees are available? That's it. Using parallel stream, I can able to get the count data. See, system.out.println, I can get the count here. That's it. Java 8 Java streams concept is completely programming, not the theory, guys. Much how to use the result. Once you know habituated one or two examples, remaining all are is much more easier. See, 3 about the count. Clear? Any questions? We discussed about sequential stream, parallel stream, intermediate operations, and terminal operations like a min, max, and even you can apply the distinct also, guys. If you want to know distinct records, just you can apply the kind of a, that is also some kind of a logic, I can say as a distinct. How many number of distinct records you have, just to verify this particular method. Once you know these methods, by using that, yes, you can able to go ahead and try about a different things, guys. Okay, now keys, map. Now have a look here. Let me explain about a, till now we discussed about has set, okay, linked list, right? Set also will be a same both, but in case of some kind of a see here, let me explain two more examples to you.
Can you say again what is parallel stream?
Okay, parallel stream means suppose you have a millions of records. If you want to process that millions of records to print the data, it may take half an hour. Am I true? To print millions of records or 1 lakh records. If you use the parallel stream, it may take half an hour. It's kind of a parallelism. Internally, this parallel stream is using in your computer CPU cores. It will be used your 16 core system, 8 core, 8 CPU, 16 CPU, right? Hardware OS operating system cores, it will use your parallel stream. Sequential is a common approach, but a parallel is the new part here. To save the performance of the application, they introduced this concept. Clear?
Yes, Oscar. If we didn't specify parallel stream, is that is sequential stream? Or
exactly, by default is a sequential stream. Whenever you specify parallel, then only you should use. Suppose you have 100 records, you want to apply this one, then it will be not useful. Okay, if you, it should be the range will be huge, then only this particular stream you should be use.
Okay, thank you, Oscar.
Okay, another example I want to show you about the map. It is a list. You are comparing some employee, some keys, right? Now we have a key and value. See, map sorting by key. See here. Now main method. Now assume that I have employee objects. Now see here. I created one hash map. I have a string comma integer. String represents name, mobile phones or laptops, whatever I have. These are all your price. What is the price of that particular product? Now see here. Now item price. Now see, item price dot entry set. here we need to use the entry set, then you will get your stream object. Your list, set, map, everywhere you will get a direct stream, but here keys and value concept, right? Here you need to apply the stream concept. Here dot sorted, here you need to apply key and value. You want to sort your data based on the key or based on the value. Now I want to sort based on the key. Just you need to apply, there is a function called map dot entry. Here I have a method called see comparing by key and comparing by value. If you use the comparing by key, then you can directly print also data like this. See, for each condition, system dot out by using method reference println. That's it, simple guys. Even I no need to define the collect object also. See, all data is printing key comma value. No, I don't want like this. You need in different way. Now see here, there is a method called collect method, collectors dot to map. It's a different way of doing. Or not like this, we can write key comma value. Sorry, we are using the for each, right? Now for each key comma value, system dot out dot println. Okay, I need to write system dot out dot println key. I want to print the value. Why it is not accepting this part, I think. Okay, then this is the approach we are using. Then in this case, even we can do perform the linked by using the cache map. We can search in the Google, but this is the one approach here. Now same thing, copy paste it. Instead of the key, I want to do the value part, comparing by value. If you want sorting order, see again you can apply the sorting here. Now let me apply the comparing by value. Run as Java application. Okay, to get a difference based on value, run as Java application. See, based on the value 139, 700, 800, 1000, 1200. Based on the key and based on the value, it is sorting here. Clear? Any questions?
Clear, boss.
Okay, so what I will do, I will give one document. You guys can have a try. Okay, how to, by applying map, filter, these logics apply, try to fill those answers. Okay, let me check it. Where is my document? Give me 1 minute guys. I have a lot of questions on the streams guys. Why? Because you should be very comfortable to do. Once you are practicing now, then I will be share my answers so that you will get. It's a programming part, not the theory guys. Okay, give me 1 minute. I'm checking where it is available. Somewhere I mentioned guys, just a minute. It's a Java 8, right? Okay, string spring Java 8 part 1 part 4. Okay, programming, you guys need to do that part. Just a minute. Yes, based on this knowledge, try to do Google search, no issues. But you guys need to complete this part, only the programming. See here, what is streams in Java? Difference between stream versus collection. Stream is a interface or default method. How to create a stream, how many types of stream, these are all the theory questions. If you go down here, from here 9th question onwards, how to convert array to list. list to array, list to streams, stream to array, stream to array list, stream to set, stream to map. These are all conversions. Then how to filter the name starts with P from array list using the streams. How to filter a person, names start with Ramesh. Like this, can you guys have a try this part? See, some different all methods combination. I prepared a list of questions, guys. Can you guys complete?
Yes, we'll do.
So that you will get a better knowledge on the streams concept, guys. That is up to you. If you guys are done, that's okay. If you are not done, I can't do anything. If you are practicing, if you are come up with the questions, you need to drop email to me. Okay, then based on that, I will clarify for your all your answers. But officially, our streams concept is completed. Clear? I mean, our Java 8 main concepts are completed. Okay, I will share you these documents to you, these questions. Theory you can ignore. Okay, even theory you can get it, but try to concentrate on the programming. Clear? Okay, so tomorrow I am not taking the class. Okay, you guys have a practice, try to complete by tomorrow. I will take session on Saturday. I will be take session maybe around 9 o'clock on Saturday. Is it okay for everyone?
Yes, Pastor.
Others?
Bhaskar, I'm not available. I'm going to my home.
Acha, okay. After that, you can go through the video.
Pastor, at what time? At morning or night?
Morning.
Okay, fine.
Okay, night means it's a weekend, right? So I don't want to disturb by evening time. So that's why I'm taking morning session.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay, but I will let you know the timings. Even I need to check my timings also. If it goes well.
Okay, Pastor.
Okay, chalo guys. Thank you. Don't miss the class. And again, we'll catch up on Saturday. Tomorrow, no class. Thank you, guys.